is your day today? It's gorgeous here. Can you see through the windows? Like the sun's just shining. But those of you who don't know who I am, my name's Nicole Cheney, and I'm coming at you from Ontario, Canada. So today is Ryan's birthday, so we're going to make a really quick, easy meal, and we're going to put it in the crock pot so we can spend the whole afternoon with them. And what I realized from this page and this channel is that I do not show you guys my crock pot enough, okay? Because this is like what you need when you're a busy mom, is a crock pot, okay? So this is like a really simple, easy recipe, and I just mean filming this up to show you guys what I'm putting in my crock pot, okay? Basically. And then at the end of the video, I'll put the picture of it in the comments here on Facebook, on YouTube. What I'll actually do is put the link of where this recipe is going to be up on my blog, so you guys see it there, okay? So basically all I did before this video was prep, okay? So I cut up the broccoli, shredded the shredded cheese, and I put my chicken in the crock pot, okay? It's in the crock pot right now. All right, and now we're just going to add it. We're going to add stuff to the crock pot. So this is... I had the broccoli. We're just going to put it in. Actually, first, what I should actually do first is add... No, I'm going to add the broccoli. We're going to do broccoli. Okay, we're just going to shove it all on top of the chicken, just like that, okay? And then we're going to add the broth. Okay, so this broth... normally we have chicken broth. We didn't have any chicken broth, so we made homemade vegetable broth, and we're putting it on, okay? So that's what this is, and so it's half a cup, and we're just pouring it on here, okay. And then what I like to do is I like to add the salt at this time. Whenever you make any keto, low-carb meal, you should be putting some pink Himalayan salt in your recipe, okay? So that's a good chunk of the pink Himalayan salt. And then I got my cheddar cheese. There's 1 cup shredded, and we're going to stick it in the crock pot. Sticking it in the crock pot. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. I'm just spreading it about. Spreading about. Okay, I got a little bit left in here. Boo, 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 boo. Okay, and then we have butter. And don't you worry, I'm going to show you the crock pot again once everything's inside. So now we got our butter. So it's called for 1 stick of butter. If you're in Canada, that's roughly... We don't really have sticks of butter here in Canada. If you do, let me know where you found them, because I cannot find them anywhere, okay? Because I work with a lot of Americans, right? So some of the recipes we share with each other are like, I'm like, I need to find an alternative here in Canada. So, but for us in Canada, it's actually about half a cup of butter, okay? So what I have here is like those really thick bricks is what I get, okay, at the store. And I have measured out half a cup, and what I'm going to do here is I'm cutting it in little cubes, okay? Do you see that? Cutting it in little cubes. And I'm just going to stick these cubes kind of like everywhere on top, okay? I'm going to do the same in here. Cut it into little cubes. Do, 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 do. And I'm going to stick it on top. Stick it on top. Now, for this, our crock pot here, it cooks fast, okay? So literally, something that would normally take 6 to 8 hours on another crock pot actually only takes like 3, maybe like 4 hours for us, which is why I'm getting it ready now instead of first thing in the morning. And I'm actually only going to have it on low for that 3.5, 4 hours, and it's going to be done and fully cooked. Where you might have to put yours on high for 6 to 8 hours. It all depends on your crock pot. Ours just tends to cook really, really fast. So when we were both working out of the home, we could never have crock pot meals because it would be burnt by the time we came back home, because if we both worked 8-hour shifts, it would be done in like by the time half our day was gone and over, it would just sit there and cook for another 4 hours. It was bad. But hey, we use the crock pot now. We do now that I'm home. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Okay. Boom. So depending on your crock pot, 68 hours. For us, it takes 3.5 hours to make this. Okay, so I'm just gonna stick the lid on, put it on low, and it's done. The recipe for that I got from a friend in the States. Yes, hi honey. Is it's said on high for 68 hours, but it's a different crock pot. Well, no, honey.
Let me say hi.
You want to say hi?
Mm-hmm. Hi.
Hi, I'm Evelyn.
Bye-bye.
Okay, so once we're gonna like stir it, say like an hour out, or however time it takes your crock pot to cook. So about an hour out of it being done, you're gonna stir it, okay, and then you're gonna add some half a cup of marble cheese on top, and then you're good to go. You're like good to go, okay, and that's how we cook ours. And of course, we'll take pictures all the way through. We'll put it in the comments of this video, okay? And if you're on YouTube, then it will be on my blog, so don't you worry, you're still gonna get the pictures, okay? And that's just kind of how I work on YouTube. It's more connected to my blog, or you can come here on Facebook onto this page and see it all throughout the video, okay? But we're gonna go inside and play because it's a gorgeous day. So I will see you guys later. Bye, guys.